for you in this course: biology, nanochemistry, and drug discovery, the hidden holism. Congratulations for having this chance, and I can say that I'm really so proud to be with you. I am Maram Abdul Nasser Tashtaya. I am Palestinian pharmacist and American Studies instructor who is teaching on Udemy. Systems biology is extremely much an interdisciplinary domain of research, demanding the technology schemes and survey experience of humans from a series of scientific survey niche. Medicinal chemists can treat and/or choose suitable compounds for biological estimate that, if instituted to be active, could render as lead compounds. Then, they estimate the structure-activity relationships of comparable compounds with consideration to their in vivo and in vitro safety and efficacy. Medication discovery symbolizes the initial move in the creation of modern medications and takes position in biotech companies, academic institutions, and big pharmaceutical corporations. Drug invention has modified over the years, but anyway, the target continues the same: to discover safer drugs for the deadliest ailments. The notion of holism was dissected with respect to the methodology by Walker and Avant to instruct nursing exercise to present more comprehensive patronage to patients. What's more, we confirm the demand for an increased awareness of the essential bidirectional impact of medications and biomechanics in whole living frameworks. The Nanotechnology Society started to assess the impacts of exposition to nanomaterials in the coming early 1990s. The biological action of nanomaterials relies on inherent physiochemical merits not routinely recognized in toxicity researches. Restoring responsibility and power to patients and promoting them to practice self-care is another side of holistic patronage, which drives to therapeutic consultation, self-esteem, hope, personal growth, vitality, dignity, self-regulation, self-sufficiency, and vigor. Course goals. However, by searching more concerning the hidden holism in this course, students can accomplish perception of holism theory and its connection to practice, systems biology tactics to research, nanotechnology research and improvement, developmental biology and nanochemistry as an interdisciplinary scope, realizing a variable of interest in nanochemistry and drug discovery, and the fruitful evaluation or evolution of holism theory via biology, nanochemistry, drug discovery approach. And this course is appropriate for people from all over the world who have an interest in the following approaches: biology, nanochemistry, drug discovery, holism theory, nanotechnology research, biochemical science, analytical chemistry, medicinal chemistry, mechanobiology, molecular biology, systems biology, physical pharmacy, pharmacological science, chemoinformatics, biotechnology, toxicology, physical chemistry, and biogenetics. And this course contains 39 resources. Many thanks for your attention, and I'd like to invite you to register in this course or try the free preview if you want to explore further.